Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Sunday, May 27th. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. We got an extended holiday week in the States right now. We got Memorial Day going on. Hope everyone's safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing. And there we go. This is coming from LINNNZI Tech. Oh boy, let's see what this is. Here comes a cut. Finally found my scissors again. Yay. Here we go. Almost there. Now what is inside? Whoop. Oh. Up to 10 feet waterproof digital camera. HD 2.0 screen. Oh, 2.5 inch screen. Waterproof up to 3 meters or 9.5 feet, 9.8 feet. Alright. HD 2.0. Cool. Oh, focus. Alright, let's see what this is. There we go. Oh, there it is. Cut right here. Cut. There we go. We got it. Bada boom. And what do we have here? Pretty cool. Little welcome card. Got the elephants. Alright. There we go. And we got, oh, got the USB charge, standard. Got the little strap. This will be great for the water when you guys are out on the boats. For us, we got this called Jobby Nooner. This would be perfect for outside. Look at that. It's pretty nice. Nice buttons. Oh man, focus. Why you not focus? There we go. Hey, it's a nice camera. 12 megapixels. Nice glossy black. Nice orange. You can put a tripod there. You guys can tell. Or your selfie sticks. Try to figure out what this does. Oh man. Come on. Why you no open? How do I get this thing open? Try and get this down here. But I think that's where the memory card slot goes anyway, but I gotta get some memory cards. Where's the power? Oh, my phone's gonna die. Oh. Power. Hold on one sec. Let's see. I gotta charge it. Might be dead. You can always use your power banks, portable battery chargers, to charge these also. Why is it not letting me inside this thing? No. That is a good question. Why won't let me in? Ah, there we go. Oh, batteries. AAA. USB, SD card slot. Okay, let me get some batteries. I'll be right back. Okie dokie. We got the batteries in. Gonna close the lid. Let's see if this works. Look at that. Boom. Yeah, that's a nice little screen. Oh, focus. Yeah, English. Ew. Boom. Look at that. Nice. Nice camera. Whoa. What happened here? So we got the menu, delete, the mode, no file, menu, night portrait, night scenery, sport, party, beach, underwater, so you guys go swimming. Like I said, a lot of features. Image size, 12 megapixel. I think this is like standard, but it might use up a lot of memory also. Really cool though. Digital camera. Bada boom. Multiple snapshot. That's good. White balance, image quality, sharpness, effect. Black and white, cipher, green, red, blue, sunset, warm, cool, IR, binary, vivid, undertone, dog eye, Abibe, Gothic, Japanese style, Lomo, negative. That's it for that. Cool. Sharpness. Really nice. Like I said, easy to set up. Please. A nice little satchel bag. What else do we have? Just manual. LINNNZI. Amazon Prime. 12 mega. Definitely a nice camera though. Take it with you to concerts. Sneak it in your purse. But water sports will be good for, especially the summer. And you guys could get take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping and get this digital camera, waterproof, lightweight, really lightweight. So kids it'd be good for kids to train off of too, how to use a camera. Or you can see the picture briefly, but it's really good quality. I like the buttons, nice setup, smooth. Like I said, really cool. But thank you guys at LINNNZI on Amazon for sending me this. And that's about it today, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good holiday weekend. And hopefully see you guys back. I'm not sure about Monday because of the holiday. But if not, Tuesday through Sunday. You guys have a good one. Be safe. And see ya.